Hello, today's video we have the following content.
Actor Zhang Han sued, tops trending searches as 18-year-old case resurfaces. Zhang Han caught in legal storm, from endorsement dispute to resurfaced past, public debate celebrity accountability. Renowned actor Zhang Han has recently become the center of a media storm due to a legal dispute with the barbecue restaurant chain Shao Ben Shao, for which he served as a brand ambassador. According to reports, the company has filed a lawsuit against Zhang Han and 3 other shareholders at the Shanghai Railway Transport Court, citing unpaid capital contribution disputes. The case quickly topped trending lists, sparking widespread attention. Meanwhile, Zhang Han's controversial 2007 incident involving dragging a traffic officer has resurfaced, reigniting public discussions about celebrity responsibility. Shao Ben Shao grand opening and shareholding controversy. In May 2021, the much-anticipated global flagship store of Shao Ben Shao opened in Ningbo with great fanfare. Zhang Han, who held a 10% stake and was branded as the Mars Barbecue Master, headlined the launch event, joined by celebrity friends like Cecilia Chun and Arif Rahman. The star-studded event drew massive media coverage and fan enthusiasm, positioning the upscale Japanese-style barbecue chain as a rising star in the dining industry. However, beneath the glitz, trouble was brewing. Public records show that Shao Ben Shao was established in January 2021, with Zhang Han as an initial shareholder. By April 2023, he had quietly exited his shareholding. Just 6 months later, the company faced restrictions on high consumption due to financial difficulties. This suspicious timeline has fueled speculation. Did Zhang Han foresee the brand's financial struggles and withdraw to avoid liability? Industry insiders suggest his exit may have been a strategic move to distance himself from potential risks. Lawsuit focus: capital contribution dispute and legal liability. The core of the lawsuit revolves around allegations that Zhang Han failed to fulfill his capital contribution obligations during his tenure as a shareholder. Under China's company law, even former shareholders can be held liable for unpaid capital within the scope of their obligations if the court finds deficiencies, such as failure to fully pay registered capital. The lawsuit claims that Zhang Han's shortfall in contributions strained the company's finances, hampering its expansion plans. Zhang Han's studio swiftly issued a statement, asserting that he had fully paid all capital contributions during his shareholding period and would cooperate with the court's investigation, defending his rights based on the company's articles of association and financial records. However, the statement failed to quell public skepticism. Legal experts note that if the court confirms any shortfall, Zhang Han could face substantial compensation demands, potentially tarnishing his public image. Resurfaced scandal: the 2007 traffic officer incident. Amid the lawsuit frenzy, netizens unearthed Zhang Han's 2007 controversy, which has added fuel to the fire. According to CCTV reports and judicial records, in 2007, Zhang Han, then a young driver, was stopped by a traffic officer for a suspected violation. Refusing to comply, he allegedly drove off, dragging the officer approximately 100 meters. The officer suffered a fractured arm and kidney damage, with unconfirmed online rumors suggesting the officer later died from complications. Zhang Han was apprehended after other vehicles forced him to stop, but he reportedly failed to provide immediate aid. No public apology followed, and due to his age, below the threshold for criminal liability, and his affluent family background, he settled the matter through civil mediation, paying compensation to avoid criminal charges. Surprisingly, his school did not expel him, allowing him to graduate smoothly. What particularly incensed netizens was Zhang Han's later comment in an interview, where he expressed gratitude for his past mistakes, a statement critics slammed as lacking remorse. When news of the lawsuit broke, many initially assumed it was related to the 2007 incident, reflecting lingering public resentment. Public reaction and industry implications. The convergence of the lawsuit and the resurfaced scandal has sparked heated online debates. Supporters of Shao Ben Shao argue that celebrities must be held accountable for their contractual obligations, while Zhang Han's fans call for restraint, urging the public to await the court's verdict. The case has also spotlighted deeper issues in the celebrity endorsement industry, where disputes over accountability and contract compliance are increasingly common. How to balance commercial interests with celebrity responsibilities remains a pressing question. As the case progresses, all eyes are on the court's ruling and Zhang Han's next move. Will he emerge unscathed, or will this dual blow, legal and reputational, mark a turning point in his career? The public awaits further developments to uncover the full truth. This saga serves as a stark reminder for the entertainment and business worlds to prioritize transparency and accountability in high-stakes collaborations. Next new. Zhang Han, the male lead of Let's Watch Meteor Shower Together, has been sued. From beloved idol to center of commercial dispute, Zhang Han faces legal storm over catering company lawsuit. Once a household name for his iconic role as Muran Yunhei in Meteor Shower, Zhang Han is now making headlines for a legal battle that has reignited public scrutiny. On May 26, 2025, the Shanghai Railway Transport Court issued a summons for a case involving Shao Ben Shao, Shanghai Catering Management Company, Limited, which is suing Zhang Han and others over unpaid capital contributions. The trial is set for July 28, 2025, and the news has sparked intense online discussions, with netizens speculating about the underlying causes of the dispute. The rise and fall of Shao Ben Shao. Public records reveal that Shao Ben Shao was established in January 2021 with a registered capital of 10 million RMB. Zhang Han held a 10% stake in the company until April 2023, when he withdrew his shares. However, the company's fortunes have since taken a downturn. Currently mired in financial difficulties, Shao Ben Shao is linked to multiple bankruptcy auctions and has faced repeated restrictions on high consumption, signaling severe operational challenges. The timing of Zhang Han's exit, just months before the company's financial woes became public, has raised eyebrows, with some questioning whether he anticipated the brand's decline. The lawsuit centers on allegations that Zhang Han failed to fulfill his capital contribution obligations during his tenure as a shareholder. According to China's company law, even former shareholders can be held accountable for unpaid capital if the court finds deficiencies, potentially leading to significant financial liabilities. The plaintiff claims that Zhang Han's alleged shortfall contributed to the company's financial strain, hindering its ability to sustain operations and expand. A stellar career overshadowed. Zhang Han's acting career has been nothing short of remarkable. He shot to fame with his portrayal of the charismatic yet domineering Muran Yunhei in Meteor Shower, 2009, a role that cemented his status as a heartthrob across China. He continued to captivate audiences with memorable performances, such as the gentle and affluent Qin Lang in Love Is Not Blind, 2011, and the haughty yet lovable boss Tang Feng Tang in Shang Comes to Eat, 2014. In 2024, his nuanced performance in Pearl River People earned him a nomination for Best Actor at the 32nd China TV Golden Eagle Awards, further solidifying his reputation as a versatile and talented actor. Beyond acting, Zhang Han ventured into the business world with enthusiasm. As the Mars barbecue master for Shao Ben Shao, he actively participated in the brand's operations, appearing in promotional campaigns and leveraging his star power to boost its visibility. The grand opening of the Ningbo flagship store in May 2021, attended by celebrities like Cecilia Chun and Arif Rahman, was a testament to his commitment to the brand's success. However, the current legal dispute has cast a shadow over these efforts, highlighting the risks celebrities face when dabbling in commercial ventures. Resurfaced controversy adds fuel to the fire. As the lawsuit dominates headlines, Zhang Han's past has come under renewed scrutiny. In 2007, a then 23-year-old Zhang Han was involved in a highly publicized incident where he allegedly dragged a traffic officer for approximately 100 meters while attempting to flee a traffic stop. The officer sustained serious injuries, including a fractured arm and kidney damage. Unconfirmed online rumors even suggested the officer later died from complications, though no official confirmation exists. Zhang Han avoided criminal charges due to his age and settled the matter through civil compensation, reportedly facilitated by his affluent family background. His failure to issue a public apology and a later interview where he expressed gratitude for his mistakes drew significant backlash, with critics accusing him of lacking remorse. When news of the lawsuit broke, many netizens initially assumed it was related to the 2007 incident, reflecting the public's lingering resentment. Social media platforms are abuzz with divided opinions. Some defend Zhang Han, arguing that the lawsuit is a separate matter and that he deserves a fair hearing, while others criticize his past behavior and question his accountability in both personal and professional spheres. What lies ahead? As of now, Zhang Han and his team have remained silent on the lawsuit, leaving the public eagerly awaiting his response. The upcoming trial on July 28, 2025, will likely shed light on the validity of the claims and Zhang Han's financial obligations. Legal experts suggest that the court will closely examine the company's financial records and Zhang Han's capital contribution history to determine liability. A ruling against him could result in hefty financial penalties and further damage to his public image. This saga underscores broader issues in the intersection of celebrity and commerce. The rise in disputes involving celebrity endorsements highlights the need for clearer contractual obligations and greater accountability. For Zhang Han, once celebrated for his on-screen charisma, this legal battle represents a critical juncture. Will he navigate the storm and restore his reputation, or will the combined weight of the lawsuit and his controversial past mark a turning point in his career? The public and media will continue to monitor the case closely, eager for updates as the trial date approaches. This high-profile dispute serves as a cautionary tale for celebrities venturing into the business world, emphasizing the importance of due diligence and transparency in commercial partnerships. Approximately.
Thank you for watching the video. If this is your first time watching a video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave your comments to help us develop your channel.